Case summary by Deepak Miglani, Mirza Akbar versus Emperor. This case deals with the Section 10 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872, Section 10, things said or done by conspirator in reference to common design. Anything said, written or done by any member of the conspiracy is an evidence against the other members even if they are done in their absence and without their knowledge. The only condition being that the act must have reference to their common intention. The condition of relevancy. The condition of relevancy under the section are: there must be reasonable ground to believe that two or more persons have entered in conspiracy. The act in question must have been done after the time when the intention to conspire was first entertained by any of them. The act must have been done in reference to their common intention. The evidence of such act can be given for the following two purposes: to prove the existence of conspiracy, to show what a particular person was a party to the conspiracy. This section comes into play when there is a reasonable ground to believe the existence of a conspiracy. Conspiracy is a crime as well as a tort. This section applies to both kinds of conspiracy. Facts of the case: one Ali Asgar was murdered with a gunshot in his village. The murderer was practically caught red-handed and was identified as Umar Sher. The guilt of Umar Sher was not really open to doubt. He was practically caught red-handed. He was caught running away with a single-barrel shotgun in his hand, the barrel of which smelled as if freshly discharged. There was an empty cartridge jammed in the barrel. When the appellant came up from the field in which he had been working about half a mile away from the scene of the murder, he asserted that Umar Sher was innocent and should be released, but the others present refused to do so. Umar Sher's main defense seems to have been absence of motive, but it appeared that he was a hired assassin bribed to commit the murder by Mirza Akbar and the lady Meher Taja. Accordingly, all the three were prosecuted for murder and conspiracy to murder. The principal evidence of the conspiracy between the female prisoner and her lover consisted of certain letters. In her two letters to Mirza Akbar, Meher Taja expressed her loving sentiments and the desire to marry him and concluded, "I have found out money for thee, but thou must unhesitatingly find out the man. My heart is bursting for thee, and I long for thee immensely." Apart from these letters, Meher Taja also made statements before the examining magistrate after she had been arrested on the charge of conspiracy. Her letters and her statements are admitted in evidence against Mirza Akbar as being the things said and written by a conspirator in reference to their common intention. Mirza Akbar preferred an appeal to the Privy Council against the relevancy of this evidence. Judgment: it was held that the letters were relevant under Section 10 as their terms were only consistent with a conspiracy between the prisoners to procure the death of Ali Asgar, and they were written at a time when the conspiracy was going on and for the purpose of attaining their object, namely elimination of Ali Asgar and their marriage. But the statement to the magistrate was held to be not relevant under Section 10 as it was made after the object of the conspiracy had already been attained and had come to an end. In reference to this, Lord Wright said, "The words common intention signify a common intention existing at the time when the thing was said, done, or written by one of them. Things said, done, or written while the conspiracy was on foot are relevant as evidence of the common intention once reasonable ground has been shown to believe in its existence. But it would be a very different matter to hold that any narrative or statement or confession made to a third party after the common intention or conspiracy was no longer operating and had ceased to exist is admissible against the other party. There is then no common intention of the conspirator to which the statement can have reference. Case details. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.